Alright, so we're back now. You can see here, if it looks something like this, that's good. Now the reason why Balloon 2 and Balloon 1 subtract the same health, because they're essentially the same thing. They're not different, but Balloon 3 has, spawns 2 more balloons. So if you miss that, I think it's worth 15. You can do what you want. I like it challenging, and I think it should follow logic. Alright, so if it spawns more balloons or has more potency, more trouble, it should be worth more loss, subtract more health. So we're going to do one more, and that's for the balloon, for the bomb. You might have already done it. I think, oh sorry, we don't do it for the bomb. So yeah, let's continue. So we've added health. So now we're going to add one more balloon to our game, and then we're done with adding balloons. It's not really a balloon. It's more of a way to get health back. So if you let a couple slip, no one's perfect, and so we're going to help the player to play the game long. Now, as you can see, at the moment it's really not that hard, this game, and we could make it a lot harder, a lot more fun, but it's a good start. So let's go 60. I'm just going to draw a cake. Don't laugh at me. My cake will be terrible. There's my cake. And I'll put little birthday candles here so everyone knows that it's definitely a cake. It's definitely not a balloon, at least. That's all that matters. And remember, even though you think this is kind of funny, my graphics, don't spend too much time on your graphics. I can't stress that enough. Make sure you press that crop button as well. Do not worry about making your graphics beautiful. You can do that later. Worry about making the game first and then change it later. So click on behavior, add bullet. Alright, so let's check out our game now. Alright. Wow. Whoa. That bomb was not really nice there. Wow, okay, our game, I may have understated our game. It's much harder, especially when the bomb's hiding under. Oh, okay, I'm pretty bad at this game. I'm much more of a first-person shooter. But anyways, yep, there's our game working great. So we're just going to add now the functionality to our cake. We're going to copy this one more time. Control C in the click on the corner, make sure it's all highlighted. Control C, Control V. We're going to spawn this not so often, random, every 5 to 6 seconds. We don't want to give the user too much help, but we want to give them a little bit. Oh, we forgot to rename this to cake. So click on your cake here, type in cake. Excellent. There we are. Now we're going to go on touch cake. So we'll copy this one, change it to cake. Alright, and now we're just going to delete that, and delete that. We're going to destroy the cake though. So if I'm going a little fast, you can rewind it. I'm just adding an action called destroy. You guys should kind of know how to do that now. And we're going to add 10 to health. Alright, we're going to be nice. We're not going to be super nice, but we're going to be nice. Alright, this is our first game. We don't want to make it too hard. Of course you can if you want. It is your game. So now we're going to do, I think that's it. So let's test this out. I don't know if it's all done now, but let's have a look. Nice. Yep, it's all working beautifully. Oh, nice. Oh, I forgot one thing before we're done, is if you touch, instead of restarting the layout, if you touch the bomb like that, alright, we're going to take health off you. So on touched bomb, we're going to get rid of this one, event 10, and we're going to change this to bomb. First of all, is destroyed. We want the bomb to be destroyed, but we're going to subtract a lot from health. We're going to subtract 25. So 25% of your health is instantly destroyed, taken off. So that's pretty impressive. All right, save your work. Make sure you save it. Now, I think we're done. We're going to just add a couple more different things. And the first step is to, we're going to restart the layout once you hit 0 health. So we're going to go System, Comparable Value. We're going to compare the value of the container. So, you know, like if you had cookies in the cookie jar, if there's 10 cookies in the cookie jar, you can eat 5 or something like that. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do if health is equal to 0, less or equal to 0, less or equal to 0, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to do a couple of things. System, we're going to click on System. First of all, we want to reset all the variables. All the containers go back to the way they're supposed to be. So score will go back to 0, health will go to 100. And one last thing is System, Restart Layout. We're going to restart the layout again if you hit 0. Let's test that out. So it's going down. It's going down very quickly. Oh, I will soon finish this game. And I'm done. There we go. Instantly back. But you noticed that it didn't, say game over and menu. And that's what we're going to do next.